Hello, welcome to the Great Garden Channel. Without using expensive chemical fertilizers, can plants still bloom in the right season and flourish all year round? Do you believe it? In today's video, I will share a very simple organic fertilizer recipe using just a few familiar ingredients from the kitchen that almost anyone can make at home. When applied correctly, you will easily notice that the plant begins to form strong flower spikes, more buds appear, and develop evenly. After that, the flowers will bloom brilliantly, with fresh colors and long-lasting beauty. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any useful plant growing tips on the Great Garden Channel. Let's get started right away. Bananas that are left for too long often develop black spots on the peel, and the stem begins to soften, even slightly rot like this. When they see this condition, many people will quickly throw them into the trash because they think the bananas are spoiled and can no longer be used, right? But don't throw them away just yet. Today I will show you how to make use of these bananas that seem to have no value anymore and turn them into a very useful natural ingredient for the plants in your garden. First, use 2 bananas like this. Next, peel the bananas to collect the peels. Banana peels contain a lot of potassium, phosphorus, calcium, along with natural minerals and vitamins that are very beneficial for plant growth. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Use a knife and cut the banana peels into small pieces like in the video. Cutting the banana peels into small pieces brings many benefits. First, it helps nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, and natural minerals in the banana peels dissolve and release more quickly. When banana peels are chopped into smaller pieces, the decomposition process also happens faster, helping the organic matter turn into a natural nutrient source for plants. After that, I put all the chopped banana peels into a clean glass cup. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. The next ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains many natural minerals such as nitrogen, potassium, and some trace elements which are very beneficial for plant growth. I add 2 teaspoons of coffee into the cup that already contains the banana peels. Next, add about 500 milliliters of hot water to help the nutrients from the coffee and banana peels dissolve easily into the water, creating a natural nutrient solution for plants. Use a spoon to stir the mixture well. Stirring thoroughly helps the ingredients blend better and helps the nutrients from the banana, peels, and coffee dissolve quickly into the water, creating an even nutrient solution that is easier for plants to absorb. Finally, close the lid and let the solution steep for 2 hours. During that time, I trim away the dry roots and the yellow leaves to remove the parts of the plant that are no longer healthy. Removing these damaged parts helps limit the growth of fungal diseases and allows the plant to concentrate its nutrients on healthy roots while stimulating new root growth. As a result, the plant gradually recovers, the root system becomes stronger, and the growth process becomes more stable. After that, I gently rinse the plant with clean water. This helps evenly moisten the growing medium, wash away dust and residues around the roots, and awaken the root system, preventing the plant from being shocked when fertilizer is applied directly. Thanks to this, the roots will function better, helping the plant absorb the nutrient solution more effectively and grow healthier. After 2 hours, I filter out the residue and keep only the clear liquid. I use a strainer to completely separate the material residue, making the solution cleaner and smoother, which is convenient for watering or spraying the plant. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution, making the nutrient concentration lighter and more suitable. Now, the organic fertilizer solution for plants is ready. Method 1. First, pour the organic fertilizer solution made from coffee and banana peels into a small pot. Next, I will share with you a small tip to help stimulate orchids to bloom. Orchids often bloom when there is a temperature difference between day and night. Therefore, I will trick the plant in a very simple way. Add about 3 to 5 ice cubes into the small pot. As the ice slowly melts, the temperature around the base of the plant will drop slightly, creating a feeling similar to the natural temperature change between day and night, thereby stimulating the plant to form flower buds. Watering the plant with the banana peel and coffee solution provides many natural nutrients such as potassium, nitrogen, and essential minerals for the plant. These nutrients support healthy root growth, greener leaves, and stable plant development. When watering, gently water around the base and avoid overwatering to prevent water from accumulating, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients effectively and keeping the growing medium airy. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 2. Next, pour the processed and diluted banana peel and coffee solution into a spray bottle, then lightly mist it evenly over the orchid plant, including the leaves, stems, and root area. This spraying method allows the natural nutrients from banana peels and coffee, especially potassium, nitrogen, and trace minerals, to quickly penetrate through the leaf surface, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. As a result, the orchid receives timely micronutrients, increases resistance, reduces pests and diseases, and helps the roots, stems, and leaves grow in a more balanced and healthier way. You can apply this method 1 to 2 times per month to maintain plant health and help orchids grow steadily over time. In addition to orchids, I also spray this solution on Anthurium plants. Lightly spraying the leaves and stems helps the plant absorb additional natural nutrients while also cleaning dust from the leaf surface, keeping the leaves green, shiny, and fresh. With regular care, Anthurium plants will grow steadily, with thicker and greener leaves, longer-lasting flowers, and stronger stems, keeping the plant pot vibrant and full of life. Method 3. Next, pour the diluted banana peel and coffee solution into a clean glass cup. Then use cotton or a soft cloth to soak up the solution and gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dust and long-lasting residue from the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated, thereby improving the plant's photosynthesis efficiency. In addition, the natural nutrients from banana peels and coffee, such as potassium, nitrogen, and trace minerals, also help nourish the leaves, supporting orchid leaves to become greener, thicker, and shinier. You can clean the leaves about once a month, or whenever you notice dust accumulation, to help your orchid pot always stay fresh and beautiful. For the remaining solution, I pour it into an ice tray and place it in the freezer to freeze. Freezing helps preserve the solution longer and makes it convenient for future use. When you need it, simply take 1 to 2 ice cubes and place them in a small cup. Next, wait about 15 minutes for the ice to melt, then gently water around the base of the plant. At that time, the nutrients from the banana peels and coffee will gradually dissolve into the water, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more slowly and effectively. This method not only saves the solution, but also provides a stable natural nutrient source that supports healthy plant growth. Results after 2 months of application. After about 2 months of using the coffee and banana peel solution, the orchid plant shows very noticeable changes. The leaves become darker green, thicker, and shinier, and the young leaves grow strongly, helping the plant's photosynthesis process become more effective. The root system also recovers quickly. Many new roots appear with plump green tips that firmly attach to the growing medium. Thanks to this, the plant can absorb nutrients steadily, creating a good foundation for long-term development. In addition, the shoots and flower spikes develop evenly, and the stems become stronger. More flower buds form, round and healthy. When the flowers bloom, the colors are vibrant, the flowers last longer, and the orchid pot remains bright and beautiful for a long time. What do you think about this natural orchid care method using coffee and banana peels? Have you ever tried applying this method to your orchids? Share your experience in the comments. This is a well-deserved result for patience and proper care. When nourished properly, plants will respond with lasting vitality and delicate beauty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.